Did you watch any interesting movies or shows recently?
I watched Tom and Jerry, and it was fantastic. Have you seen anything good?
How do you stay active and fit?
I enjoy going for a run in the evenings. What about you?
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat. Do you have any?
What's your favorite book?
I really love Alchemist novel. How about you?
How do you stay organized in your daily life?
I use a planner to keep track of everything. What about you?
What's the best piece of advice you've ever received?
The best advice I've received is to hard work is key to success. How about you?